Toyota has recently revealed the 9th generation Toyota Camry. It remains based on the same Toyota New Global Architecture platform as the previous model, but gets a new look, interior, powertrain, and technology stack. The 2025 Camry will be the brand's mid-size sedan and will be positioned as the flagship passenger car of the brand, aimed at family consumers. The exterior of the new Camry boasts sleeker lines compared to its predecessor. The front showcases a sizable grille accompanied by LED headlights, and Toyota maintains its hammerhead front styling theme. Yet the new Camry introduces a clean and refreshed appearance, reducing any potential controversy. Taillights fashioned in a distinctive C-shape. All the 2025 Camry models come equipped with LED exterior lighting, but the XLE and XSE editions stand out with premium headlights and taillights. The Camry LE is fitted with 16-inch aluminium wheels, while the SE and XLE models ride on 18-inch designs. In the Camry XSE model, which is the top model, it will come in a two-tone body with a midnight black metallic roof, and the air intakes will be designed in a large honeycomb shape. The Camry XSE features an exclusive 19-inch wheel. The new design of the Toyota Camry's interior includes updates. The dashboard will feature a 7-inch digital driving infotainment display panel and an 8-inch infotainment screen as part of the standard configuration. The XLE and XSE models of the Toyota Camry will feature a display screen with a notable 12.3-inch infotainment screen that supports wireless connections for both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Additionally, these models come equipped with a 10-inch head-up display HUD screen, projecting driving information and navigation details into the windshield. Across all models, a wireless smartphone charger and a range of connectivity options, including USB-A and USB-C ports, will be available. New seats providing improved comfort, dual-zone automatic climate control, and a rear air conditioning vents are standard, with heated and ventilated front seats available on the XLE and XSE. In the Camry LE, you will find a black or bolder interior color and detailing inspired by ocean waves. Moving up to the Camry XLE, the car offers leather and artificial suede, light grey or black seats. Quilted microfiber decorates the dashboard and door panels for a more upscale look. The 2025 Toyota Camry is equipped with the 5th generation Toyota hybrid system, which is centered around a 2.5-litre 4-cylinder engine. This advanced system incorporates 2 electric motors along with a third rear electric drive motor for models equipped with the available all-wheel drive system. Toyota reports that the THS5 powertrain delivers 225 horsepower in front-wheel drive configurations and 232 horsepower in AWD versions. While this represents an increase from the previous generation 4-cylinder and hybrid models, it falls short of the power generated by the V6 engine. However, Toyota assures a more gratifying sense of acceleration compared to the preceding Camry hybrid model. Both models will be powered by an eCVT transmission. The new 2025 Toyota Camry goes on sale in the spring of 2024. Pre-orders start soon.